What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on crypto.com coin. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we have very strong support and I connect with this line 3 bottoms. And I ignored this week because it was the week of liquidations. That's why we can connect only bodies of these candles, and that's why we have this support line. And on top of that, I drew this line. I connect pretty much all the tops of this price section, and I've told you that right here we were exactly at the point of the apex, and I've told you that if we will break it to the upside and then we will have a retest from the top and we'll go higher, this will indicate that we break it to the upside, and I have to say that we should have much higher volume with this breakout. Otherwise, we might break it to the downside and went lower with the same amount of volume. But this breakout, in my opinion, is not the real breakout. And this line is irrelevant for now, because we cannot have this breakout without any volume. This means we cannot count on this line, and that's why I think we can project some new layouts, and I will show you them in my technical analysis. So let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. For now, we are sitting at $2.27 trillion of total market cap, and it is exactly the same range that we had previously, and we are pretty much moving sideways. But the recent movement, let me show it to you right here, the recent Bitcoin's movement is rather bearish. As you can see, we have decent movement to the downside with the conviction of volume. That's why we have to be cautious. So, and all other cryptocurrencies are in red. And let me show you the crypto.com coin numbers. For now, it has $14.6 billion of total market cap. It's up for about 0.5%, and the total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $210.97 million. It's also up for about 34.16%. So, and let me show you the recent news related to this company. And we are on their official Twitter page. And for now, we have the latest news definitely related to the F1 competition, and it is the most important races among the people who live in Europe and in Middle East and Asia, and that's why we have huge exposure from crypto.com. As you can see right here, you can see a lot of banners of crypto.com. Right here you can see the banner as well, and all of the curvatures has this type of banners, and I have to say it is the huge exposure on new potential market. And on top of F1 news, we have NBA support. Also with crypto.com, as you can see right here, you can find this label. And on top of that, let me show you that UFC also has the same partner, and it is the crypto.com. And here you can see on the steps. Here you can see on their t-shirt and on the arena as well. And I have to say that it is a huge exposure and massive marketing campaign that will definitely drive the price of this company and of this coin higher. Let me show you one interesting detail. Right here we have the tweet that was published on December 11th, and it is a screenshot from CoinGecko. And as you can see, we have crypto.com exchange on the second place right after main Binance. And crypto.com overtook Coinbase by about $80 million of total tradable volume. And it is huge sign. And in my opinion, it is only the beginning because of their massive marketing campaign. On top of that, let me show you this. We are on a Reddit thread related to crypto.com coin, and just several posts right here. CRO is now spendable at over 41,000 stores across the United States and Canada with the Flexa network. On top of that, let me show you that just 2 weeks till Christmas. This will be huge. Buy, stake and thank me later. And definitely the crypto.com arena. For now, it is a Staples Arena in Los Angeles. And this rebranding will drastically increase the number of potential users of this token and of this exchange. And this will definitely be a huge catalyst for this company and for this token. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we are on Bitcoin price chart, and the latest price action, if we compare it with the CRO price action, it is absolutely the same. And I have to say that for now everything is related to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin shows some signs of its weakness. That's why we have to be cautious, but let me show you this. We eliminate this sloping line, as I already mentioned just a couple of minutes ago, but for now we have another potential pattern, and it is quite similar. Let me show you that this support line is still in play because we didn't break it, and we can make it a little bit longer. And basically we have two possibilities. First of all, if we make it much longer right here, we can see some kind of ascending triangle pattern, and this pattern usually breaks to the upside. But for now it is too early to make this assumption, and let me show you that for now we might have something like this. Let me show you this price action, and if I connect these two tops right here, we have another triangle, and it is also a symmetrical triangle. And symmetrical triangle is quite simple formation, and you can trade it quite easily. You have to have, as I already mentioned in my previous video, you have to have a confirmation of the breakout with the volume. When we will see huge amount of volume, and at the same time we will have the breakout, this resistance or this support, it also possible. We have to be prepared for this, and for now I think we are more bullish because of all of the marketing efforts that this company has, and that's why we have to be prepared for the potential breakout to the upside. And how you can be prepared? First of all, in my opinion, we should hit this bottom somewhere here, this support line, and then we should have a bounce to the upside. And this bounce, if we will have this bounce, it will indicate that you can accumulate your position with this coin, and you should put your stop loss slightly below previous bottom. And for now we have this range as our another swing low, and it might be the stop loss range. And the price targets are still the same. First of all, we have to break this resistance. Next one, we have to break this resistance. And our major target for now is right here at this top of the B wave. And from our current price, we might have about 44, almost 45%. But depending on the price action and depending on your entry point, it might be slightly different, from 36% to up to almost 50% of potential profits. So I think it is quite good setup, and we have to keep an eye on this support and this resistance. And from the technical standpoint, I think that's it. When we will see next major breakout, I will do another update, and I will project major targets for this coin for the period from couple of weeks to couple of months. So stay tuned, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!